Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you my unboxing of the monitor that I bought online. This is the Lenovo 27i30. It is a 27-inch monitor, full HD and 1080p resolution. This has an IPS display and a 75 refresh rate. So this is the backs of the monitor. This is also has an AMD FreeSync feature. My purpose of this monitor is for my side panel. I will be using it for the OBS and my social media account, while in the main monitor is the games. And now let's check what is inside the box. So this is the guide how you assemble the monitor, or this is the manual. So the instructions are here. And this is the display port, or I mean this is the HDMI cable, the power cable, some sticker, so this is it. It has only two cables in the side of the box and a sticker, and this is the warranty sheet. So this is the base of the monitor. It's color gray. It looks so good, looks silver. But I'm not gonna use this because I will be using this for my side panel, which will be connected to the PC mount. So this is also the part of the base. It's heavy actually. Later I will be assembling the monitor so you can see. Now we will open the box. So this is it. And as you can see, this is the monitor. It is very slim. So I'm gonna put here again all the accessories you can see inside the box of the monitor. So the HDMI, the power cable, and the stand, and the base, and some papers for warranty, stickers, and the manual for how you assemble this. So now let's assemble this monitor. So now we will flip it to the back. So this is the back of the monitor, and it has a PC mount. So this is very easy to install, but for now I will just be assembling the base. So for those who want to use this, base. So all you have to do is put it there. Just slide and that's it. The next is the base. So all you have to do is align this and screw so it will be firm. And after that, you have to tighten the screw to make sure that it supports well. I'm going to show you the screw, so all you have to do is tighten that, and then now we can use our monitor or stand our monitor. So as you can see, it is very slim. It's good for aesthetic or whatever, but it's look good. This monitor is not good for gaming since it has a low refresh rate. It only have 75 refresh rate. It's only good for video editing or some office stuff. And since I'm gonna use this for my side panel, this is very useful since this is IPS. So there will be no problem seeing this. Now we can plug the cables. So here is the HDMI and here is the power cable. It also has the VGA socket. I'm gonna be using it here, and this is my system unit. I'll be putting it in the side. This will be food tray. So I've already plugged the VGA and the power cable, and also the HDMI my PC, and let's turn it on now. And there you go, it is now turned on, and we will see how it looks. So it's turned up here since this will be my second monitor. The main monitor is now on. All I have to do is configure it so that the display will show in this monitor. So you can just go to settings, or I will just make another video about this if you don't know this yet. So this is how it looks, and this is all good. We can use it now. So that's all for today, and I hope that you get some ideas in this video. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.